How to ask questions on Craigslist. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Pimul from App Guide, and in today's video I will show you how you can post questions on Craigslist. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, let me just quickly open up my browser and then go to the official address part of Craigslist, that is craigslist.org. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link. And let's say that I find a specific product of my interest. So let me just go ahead and simply open up any of the product, and let's say I want to ask a question for this specific product over here. But as you are aware, Craigslist does not have a definitive comment section where you can post comments in order to ask questions. The only way you can actually contact the seller is via their email or phone number, only if they chose to allow the phone number to be revealed. So if you look at the top left hand side of the Craigslist ad, you'll most likely find this reply button. When you click on it, you have the option to either show their email address or their phone number. If the seller has also allowed it, they'll be able to find the phone number. And the only way to ask questions is simply through the email, because Craigslist, as I said earlier, does not offer you a comment section. Just go to the show email section, and here at the bottom you'll find your specific email. All you have to do is simply copy and paste this into your email, or else you could directly go to the Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, Outlook or AOL Mail to jump onto the composing screen. If I select Gmail, it will directly take me to the page where I can message the seller directly. Now over here you can simply enter any of the questions that you have for the seller about the product or the real estate property or anything. Once you've filled in all of your questionnaires, all you need to do is simply click on the send button, and hopefully the seller is going to reach back to you with all of the answers that you require. If sometimes the Craigslist seller has also posted the number, you can contact them via WhatsApp or Viber. Hope this video cleared the confusion as to how you can post questions on Craigslist ad. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.